This video explains the process for making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Here are the materials required: 2 slices of bread, a jar of peanut butter, a jar of jam or jelly, a rubber spatula, a serrated knife, and a tablespoon. Also, a cutting board and a plate for serving. Practice the following safety precautions. Wash your hands before handling food items. Ensure utensils, cutting board, and plate are clean before handling food items. And exercise caution when using utensils to prevent injury. To be sure your bread is fresh, gently squeeze the bread package. Fresh bread should feel soft and spring back when squeezed. Stale bread will feel hard and will not spring back. Check the best if used by dates on both the peanut butter and the jam. Remove 2 slices of bread from the package and place them side by side on the cutting board. Open the peanut butter and jam jars. Using the rubber spatula, spread a thick layer of peanut butter evenly on 1 slice of bread, covering the entire surface. I'm using Jif brand extra crunchy peanut butter. I like crunchy peanut butter, but you may prefer creamy or smooth peanut butter. Next, we move on to the jam side of the sandwich. Using the tablespoon, spread an even layer of jam over the entire piece of bread. Here I'm using Smucker's brand strawberry jam. Lift the bread slice with jam and carefully place it jam side down onto the peanut butter slice. Align the edges of the bread slices. Rotate the sandwich to place the long bottom edge closest to you. Using the serrated knife, cut the sandwich from the top edge to the bottom edge down the middle. The sawtooth edge of the serrated knife allows me to cut all the way through the crust and separate the sandwich into 2 even halves. Transfer the 2 sandwich halves to the plate. Now your extra crunchy peanut butter and strawberry jam sandwich is ready to eat. For later consumption, wrap the sandwich in plastic wrap or place it in an airtight container. Verify that the container lid is closed tightly. Place the sandwich in the refrigerator if you don't plan to eat it within 2 hours.